Hello, good day and welcome. My name is Mr. JB and today we're going through a tutorial in Bambu Studio showing you quickly how to add text. Now if you just click the text button, it's just going to drop text randomly, and then if you just wanted to 3D print some letters, cool, you can do that. But I want to print these onto my object, so I need to select it first. I'm going to select my T tool for text, and then I've dropped it now on here. I'm just going to really quickly put in Mr. JB. And then I'm gonna choose a font. I'm just gonna scroll down until I find something cool, whatever. It doesn't really matter. And then from here, we can end up changing a few of my settings. Boldness is if I wanna end up making it look like an actual bolded font. Skew ends up giving us our angle, kind of like our italicized. And then thickness will just be how many layers high we want this to end up being. Text gap is just how big the space is, and angle will just rotate where that is. Depending on how you've laid your object, you might have to do this manually, apart from me being able to just put in 0 because my object is pretty much straight in the middle. If I need to reposition it really quick, I just grab my yellow and done. And if I want this to be a specific color, I go over to this left hand side. I can double click or triple click. Sometimes it works for me, sometimes it takes a bunch of clicks, and now my text itself is just going to be red. Now you could do changing this if your printer didn't have that option, and you could change by layer height, or you could set a pause, whatever you needed, so that way you could actually have your text be a different color if that didn't work for you the way you needed. And then once we end up clicking print or slice, we'll be good to go. But right now I've got two different types of filament because my printer loaded up some funky stuff, but that doesn't matter. That's ultimately how you go about adding text into your object. And with that, that's all. Really straightforward, really quick tutorial. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned something. Have a wonderful day, take care, and be safe.